Hey guys, what's up? My name is Gail. Thanks for joining me today. I haven't done a video in a while. I hate it when people say that. Who cares? Anyway, today this video is just going to be kind of a combination of some of the things that I do when it comes to reselling. It could be shipping, it could be whatever, what sold, what I bought. I don't know. It's just going to be a compilation until this video is a good length, and then I'm going to end it. So join the journey, stick with me. At the end of this, if you like the content, feel free to subscribe. I would appreciate it. It is free. Thanks, and let's get to it. The first thing that I think is amazing is I bought these boots at Goodwill for like $40. It's kind of a high ticket for me. I paid $39.95 or something like that. I had a boot dealer that buys these. These are handmade boots, and they would pay $75 plus shipping, and I would send it to them and they would resell it at their shows that they go to. So I never got around to doing that, and I thought, you know, I'm just going to list them, and I sold them today for $200, and that is me paying shipping. About $15 of that is going to be shipping. I'm good with that. So really great profit. So glad I didn't give it to the boot dealer, but it's good to have people, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I've got this box right here. I'm going to pack it up and ship this puppy. That's what I'm going to do today. Something that I learned that I didn't know before is you can tell at the bottom of these boots where there's like nail heads and stuff. That's how you can tell these are handmade for sure. It's one of, I guess, different ways you could tell. And I would not have known that had that boot dealer not told me that. So I'm just putting these in a plastic bag to protect them. Okay, these are kind of awkward, but they fit perfectly this way, but this way they don't. So I kind of alternated them so it has a slight bend, but not too much on either side. That should work. I also added some of these pillows because I want it nice and snug. Okay, this package is literally 14.1 pounds. 0.1. Normally the honest scale will do 14, round it to 15, because that's what you're supposed to do. But I might can get away with doing 14 if I get the right postal person. I mean, seriously, it could happen. Did I mention that this was sold on Facebook Marketplace? I had it listed for $229 plus $12 shipping. He and I went back and forth. I told him I wanted closer to 200. So we agreed that we would do 200 total. I will pay the shipping and I'll get it out the door. And he paid me through PayPal, because if you've seen my other video, you can see that here. I am suspicious about selling high dollar items on Facebook Marketplace and decided not to do that. So I told him that I would do 200 if he paid me through PayPal, which provides buyer and seller protection. He agreed. I got the $200. However, he sent it to me as if we're friends, family, which means there are zero fees, which is great. Also, the downfall is there's no protection for him. So that sucks for him, but we went through everything, pictures, videos, whatever. He's very happy with them. So I'm happy that he'll be happy. I just got an offer for a set. It was like a low pro camera with a point and click Sony CyberShot camera, 3 batteries, the charger, the manual, a memory card that's 4 gigabytes. Anyway, I listed it for $37 plus shipping. Well, I only listed it like 2 days ago, and they offered me $35. Normally, I would say yes, because I think I paid $10 for everything, but it's just like, why the $2? Why? So I just replied declining. This is on Mercari, by the way, and said that I just listed it. I'm not willing to go down just yet, but thank you for your offer. And so we'll see what happens on that. I probably should have said yes. What would you have done? Probably would have taken it. But seriously, when these people on a price like 37 go and offer 36 or 35, like $1 or $2, what's the point? Are you just trying to squeeze everything you can? It's almost like it's almost as bad as offering $10 on a $37 item. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll let you know what happens with this. Okay, I am on the way to the bins. Normally I don't go on this day, but I think it's $5 day. Normally I go on dollar day. I also have to go to the post office. I have the orders that I need to go out. But I mean, who besides me as a reseller drives around to a place like where I'm going to the bin place, and then I'm like, I see a couple of mail trucks, and part of me wants to pull over and be like, yo, can you take these packages? Because I don't want to have to go to the post office. I mean, yeah, that's what I want to do, but I don't. So who else does that? I did that the other day, but the guy was actually at our mailboxes delivering our mail. So, you know, that I think was kind of okay. If you're ever curious what the bin place looks like, this is it. They got all these metal bins, which I really don't like because they snag on my shirt, just saying. But here are some of the items that they have. You can kind of see it's just kind of a hodgepodge of things. And I think I partly just wasn't feeling it. Like I kind of just didn't want to be there. But at the same time, I just didn't find anything that I knew of and would sell right away for a good flip. Since I took the time to drive to this town, I didn't find anything at bin drop. So here I am at Goodwill, just looking to see what they have. I don't think I had my eyes fully open for everything. I was looking for specific things and may have missed out on some things. I was looking for something that was a good flip, something that was decent and profitable. Sometimes I get some home runs. After finding absolutely nothing, I found these cute little bunnies. They are velveteen rabbits. Okay, so that trip to the bins was a complete waste of time. They didn't have anything there worth buying, at least not for me, not at $5 to flip. I'm not even sure I'll go on the dollar day. I'm kind of wondering, like, are they slacking on the stuff they're getting? I also went to Goodwill. I found these velveteen bears or bunnies that I was going to get, but man, it was hot in that Goodwill. Like, I swear they must have had the AC off or something. There was like 4 people in line in front of me. They were $2 each. I probably could have flipped them both for $25 total. Not a huge profit, okay? But I was starting to sweat balls in there. I was like, I'm not doing this. I'm not standing in line for that. So I ended up just leaving them and went in my car and turned that AC on. Y'all, it's hot in Texas. Okay, south part of Texas for sure. I forgot I had a Facebook order. I did go to the post office, but I forgot I had a Facebook order that I need a package up. That'll just go out tomorrow. I'm going to pull that in a minute. The camera, the person that offered me $35 instead of the $37 I was asking for, I bought it. Cha-ching. Yes. So I'm going to get that and package that up so it'll be ready for tomorrow's mail. I may or may not ship them tomorrow. I'm changed my handling time on eBay, just FYI, to 2 days, and all my returns are set to buyer pays return. I was doing free returns, and I was doing 1-day handling because I wanted the top rated seller plus discount of 10% off the fees. So, which to me is just, you know, at the end of the day, because I'm not selling a whole lot right now as a part-time reseller, it ain't worth my time. So I've extended my handling time to 2 days. That makes my life a little bit easier, but I still get compliments about being quick on shipping because I'll do same day if I have time or I'm already going to the post office. So anyway, long rant, that's it. So let's take a look at what we sold. It's a maternity dress. So side note, that 4.1 pound package did go with no problem at a 4 pound rate. Thank you, Lord. Okay, so happy about that because I was about to open it up, cut some cardboard, and make that ounce go away if I had to. Don't judge what I'm about to show you, but I'm about to pull a maternity dress that I got a sale for $23 on Facebook Marketplace. I paid probably $2 or $3 for it at Palais Royal when they were shutting down, but I swear I have cleaned and organized my garage so many times and it just keeps becoming a hot mess. I've got to do something about this one day again, and maybe I will. But for now, I'm just going to ignore this mess and pull the order. Yeah, so all this stuff is like charity. That's personal. This is all stuff I need to list for sale. All that needs to go for sale. And this looks pretty organized. So, but yeah, I need to just clean up. I keep stepping over. I don't even know what's in these boxes, y'all. Look like brand new box. Oh, I went to the dollar bins and got stuff and totally forgot about that stuff. Okay, man. Okay. Anyway, when I pick clothes, I put them in a Ziploc bag and a tote. So this is number 1 through 30. And I label the Ziploc bag. So you can see here, it's on top. It was one of the ones I listed probably more recently of the clothes because I don't do that many. So there it is. Pretty cool. If you haven't seen my previous videos, this bag, I'll take it out, ship the item, and reuse this bag and recycle the number. While I'm out here, I'm taking this inside because I think some of these are mystery items, especially if I got them on Dollar Day. I'm going to package these orders. I'm just going to put this dress in the poly bag. I don't put it in plastic inside of the poly bag. I just put it in the poly bag. So that's how I do my clothing. It's super easy. I wish clothing was easier to list because I would definitely sell more. So here's the camera that I would not take an offer on. I am just gonna wrap this up and get it out the door. If I can, I like to wrap electronics or some of my items in plastic bags. So here is me demonstrating how I find a hole in every bag that I try. Do they even make these without holes? Right, now that I've got that situated, okay, I'm bad with accents. I'm using an eBay box. Yes, this is a Mercari sale. No, I don't care. And yes, I am putting it in upside down, or at least putting the top of the box, making it the bottom. So there's the camera. I'm just going to shove it in there. And then I'm going to add some air pillows so it don't jiggle around while it gets shipped. So to rectify the box being upside down, I'm going to put the label on the bottom of the box so they'll know that that's really the top. It messes with the mind a little bit, but that's the top. So that has been put into an 8x8x8 box. It fits pretty good. So let's look at the dollar bin stuff I got. I don't know how long ago I got it, but it's time we look at it. This is the kind of stuff that gets me in trouble. I bring this stuff home and bring it in here, and I'm like, yay, and then that's it. Okay, so smart dimmer switches. Heck yeah, I would like to have those for my house, but that's okay. So this is a solar panel for Arlo HD camera. Heck yeah, so let's get that open. The solar panel. All I gotta do is make sure these parts are here. Don't know what that's for. Why would this string be there? I'm gonna have to do me some research, yo. Hopefully it's not messed up. But no, this must be Dollar Day because I didn't open this stuff. That's cool. Next up is thyroid support. I'm gonna go look at this supplement. See what these are worth. They don't expire till 2023. Okay, yeah, this says it's soy candle making supplies. I have not opened this, but yeah, this is a mystery box, and I was thinking when I bought this, worst case, I can have it for myself, because I was watching candle making videos and wanted to buy all there was, and glad I didn't. I got time for a hobby like that. Anyone else? No time for that. Wish I did though. I kind of miss those days. Okay, cool. Look at that little spoon. It's metal, y'all. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff in here. I'll have to just go through it, make sure it's all new, see what that will sell for. No idea. Not gonna look at the comps right now. And y'all, I got this purse because this really cute lady was like, I was gonna get this, but I just can't, but you really should get that. It's such a cute purse, so I got it. Cute, it is cute, but for $1. I think it's gotta be a Dollar Day. So I'll sell that for about 15 maybe. What is this? Amato Life Purera Mirifica Plus. Only one sold for about $30-ish, which isn't bad, but okay, I hear them shake. I was worried they were stuck together. It's not bad, but like 7 are listed, so only one sold. This is Longtail. Good thing it doesn't expire till July 2023. These are cool looking. These are like fresh nickel or something. I don't know why these screws are blue, but there's quite a bit in here. These are heavy. I think somebody will want these, so we'll see. I hope to get those together and get that also listed, but that is it. Well, that's not bad. I'm quite pleased with that dollar haul. I hope you like my journey today on what I've done. I think it's good enough. It is 6 o'clock at night, and it's time for me to wrap things up. I gotta figure out, I might list a few of those. I'm not real sure, but I'll do that in the next video. If I do that, thanks for watching. Say hi to me in the comments because I want to say hi back. I hope you're doing well. Subscribe here if you want to. And then here is a playlist of the hauls that I've gotten just for the heck of it. If you want to check them out, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.